Alright boys, welcome to today's quick video. This box is coming from RV6 Performance, RV6 Performance, but down! Yeah, this beautiful anodized red, when it comes with the hardware for it. Let me show you guys this thing. What a beauty. Basically, this eliminates the weak plastic or rubber mechanism from factory. This is a piston style, more like a real blow valve. Alright guys, it took a little more work than I anticipated. I had to remove the intake or the inlet down there so I can actually get access to the bypass valve down there. So there's 3 bolts to it, and as you can see, there's not a lot of room. And just to show you the difference, how easy it is to push, and these usually tear up. So that's the inside. It's just a little spring, and it's just weak rubber. Just for comparison, I'll put them side by side. Look at the difference. Anyway, let's put the sucker on. It's kind of a pain in the ass to get the bolts to line up. I lost one of the bolts down there, so I just reused one of the stock ones. I'd recommend definitely using the ones that came with the kit, but that top one will work on that situation. It started raining on me, but I was pretty close to being done, so I just finished it. So there it is, boys. RV6 bypass valve. How do I explain this? It's almost like a tile blow valve in a weird way. Okay, check this out. Oh my god, did you guys hear that? I hope you guys heard that.